Okay guys, let's see it. I have salmon sashimi, Asian syrup. Yummy, yummy. So let's eat guys. Oh. Huh? Ay, thank you. Vlogging. That's okay. Taking a vlog. Wow, Asahi. Huh? Asahi guys. That's it. I'm hungry. Thank you. Ay, kalamig niya. Uy, bakit ilagay sa lapag? Soy sauce, please. Oh, that's enough.
How much you want in there? This or more?
A bit more.
More?
Oh, that's enough. Hindi natin makuha guys, kaya hindi pa naman galing ko sa ano. Ay, naku, nalaglag pa. Gusto ko yung ginger nila. I love ginger. Nalaglag. Ano na. Cheers guys, let's see it. Have some salmon. Lagyan natin ng ano. Put some lemonade. Lemonade. Some lemon. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh, diba? Tissue please. Grabe sirap po. Nakain na niya kaagad. Kain natin ng konting. Halaka, sarap, sarap. Kain na fish yung fish. It's so sweet. Why is sweet this one?
Maybe I peed on there.
Cheers guys.
Cheers,
Cheers. Sarap guys, ang sarap. Ang sarap guys. I love it a lot. We put some. Yes. Put some wasabi. Sarap mo han. Yan, nag-order pa kami guys ng bento box. Bento. Beef bento. Bento box. Is it chicken for you? Me is beef. Why didn't you?
Because you have different tastes.
Thank you guys for watching. Mukbang tayo. Only 4 minutes. I need 7 minutes for my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Sarap vlog. That's my YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe and don't forget to watch mukbang, sushi, and bento box. Sarap. Sarap tong ano, ginger.
Look at that, it's shaped, it's not here anymore. Huh?
Maybe it's in vacation.
One being the box is ready, that's the beef. Wings for us. Looks like beef.
Wow.
Now not the color there.
Now they put in in a red box, isn't it? With the soup, with the oh, yung salad, salad. You know the squid salad?
You want these one too?
Wait, I mean, I saw it's already done. So guys, thank you for watching. Babuas.